The bank's semi-annual report on currency and monetary control. The Bank of Japan submits to the Diet its semi-annual report on currency and monetary control every June and December. I am pleased to have this opportunity today to talk about recent economic and financial developments and about the bank's conduct of monetary policy. I will first explain recent economic and financial developments. Japan's economy has recovered moderately. Exports and industrial production have been more or less flat, supported by a waning of the effects of supply-side constraints. Treasuries yields near 2-month lows as weaker economic data pile up. New York, November 16, Reuters, U.S. Treasury yields hovered near 2-month lows on Thursday after weekly jobless claims rose more than expected, helping cement expectations the Federal Reserve will not feel pressure to raise interest rates again to slow inflation. The Labor Department said on Thursday that claims for state unemployment benefits rose 13,000 to a seasonally adjusted 231,000 for the week ended November 11, above the 220,000 claims that economists polled by Reuters had expected. Canada FX debt Canadian dollar weakens as oil hits 4-month low. Toronto, November 16, Reuters, the Canadian dollar weakened against its U.S. counterpart on Thursday, giving back some recent gains, as oil prices tumbled in the rally and equity markets lost some momentum. The loonie CAD equals was trading 0.6% lower at 1.3765 to the greenback, or 72.65 U.S. cents after moving in a range of 1.3678 to 1.3776. On Wednesday, it touched its strongest intraday level since November 6 at 1.3652. Bonds and bullion soar on dismal data amid carnage in crude and crypto. Bonds were aggressively bid today with yields down around 8 to 10 basis points across the curve, basically erasing yesterday's spike higher. On the week, yields are all down significantly with the long end standing out as the underperformer as the belly does best. Lower yields did nothing for stocks today as most of the majors clung desperately to the unchish level. Small caps were hammered hard from the open, tried to recover in the afternoon but still ended the biggest loser. Nasdaq and the S&P were almost perfectly unch and the Dow lagged a little. Fed's Mester wants much more evidence that inflation has been defeated. Cleveland Federal Reserve President Loretta Mester said that this week's news showing lower levels of inflation isn't enough to convince her that the central bank has won its battle against higher prices. "Where I think we are right now is we're basically in a very good spot for policy," she told CNBC. Thank you.